Hey there, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and in this tutorial we're going to go over how to create a subdomain in cPanel. So subdomains have a lot of potential uses. They get used for usually creating a separate installation of WordPress or a separate website from the main website that still uses the main domain, just using a subdomain extension of it. And a subdomain, if you're not aware, is for example, secure.mydomain.com. If mydomain.com is your main domain, then secure.mydomain.com might be one that you would use for your payment processing. So we're right here in cPanel, and all that we need to do is go down to the domains section and then click on subdomains. And you can see I've already set one up here just as a test. It's test.fallasleep420.ca. And so this is really simple. All that you do is type in what you want the name of your subdomain to be. So I will, for example, call this one staging.fallasleep420.ca. And that's going to also create a new document root folder, or rather a new folder inside the root folder for that website to live in. And so now all I have to do is click on create. All right, so I had to refresh my browser there. It got stuck. I'm not sure why, but it should have taken me to a page that would have basically just said the subdomain has been created. And then you come back to this page and you look down here, and indeed, staging.fallasleep420.ca has been created. It's inside this document root folder. And yeah, if I want to remove it, I can do that right here. And if I need to manage the redirection, I can do that right here. So that is how you create a subdomain on cPanel. Like I said, it's super easy, and I will catch you in the next tutorial.
Hey, it's me. Just bringing you a quick reminder to tap the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me out building this channel. And if you need any WordPress hosting or plugins or themes, be sure to check the description for links. Thanks.